How to add story highlights on Facebook. So if you want to add story highlights on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you just need simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you need to tap on your profile. Now go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and here you will have archive. Tap on archive. Under archive, you need to tap on story archive, which is on the top left. Here you will have all of your stories, so you just need simply tap on any story, and here go with highlight, which is on the bottom right, and add that to your highlights. You can choose any highlights that you are comfortable with, or you can also just simply go with a new highlight. Tap on new and then tap on save, and your highlight will be saved, or your story will be saved to your highlight. You can go back, check your profile, and if you scroll down, then here you will have your highlight. That's how you can add story highlights on your Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.